back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to do some really simple dinner, very light, which is just sauteed vegetable. And I'm going to use some coconut oil and hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and black pepper. Okay, and I cut up my vegetable already. I have some onion, garlic, bell pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, mushroom, zucchini, and asparagus. So heat your stove in a medium heat, not too hot. Put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil already. So now that's perfect heat. So I'm going to put my onion and just saute that, get it lightly soft. I make this quite often when I don't feel like eating any meat. I just want vegetable and it's very easy. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna put some garlic and just make it lightly brown. Now I'm going to add my cauliflower. Saute that a little bit. I put my cauliflower first to get it softened. Probably takes about 2 minutes before I add the other. Okay, I think that's good now. So I'm going to put my bell pepper and zucchini and stir that up and mix it up. Alright, okay, then I'm going to put the rest of the vegetable. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of water, just a little bit. Okay. And then I also have turmeric that I'm going to sprinkle on it. I use this a lot. I don't know why, but it's supposed to be good for you. So I usually just use it with everything I make. So that's my other thing that I like to put on my vegetable. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to put some of these hoisin sauce. So I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon of that, and just a little bit of soy sauce. I'm gonna drizzle them in there. That's to taste. And I have pepper. And turmeric. Alright, I'm going to stir them up. Cover it for a few minutes so the vegetable get a little bit soft. So it's a total of 4 minutes altogether. I'm going to taste it and see if it needs some more flavoring. Okay. So taste it and then put a little bit of salt, just a tiny bit, about 2 pinches of salt. And then if you want to get it a little heat, you know, give it a kick, I put a little bit of chili pepper. So I do. So I put some chili in there. Okay, so one more taste. Not soft, but it has that crispiness. So it's absolutely perfect. How easy that was. Okay, if you want to throw some chicken, pork, or beef, or prawns, you can do that too. But tonight, I'm just want to eat some fish. Hey guys, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.